Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Next Weather Chief Meteorologist Ivan Cabrera is joining us.
Live from the Kennedy Space Center. I moved just a little bit.
You got there fast.
Nice.
Yeah, you know, we're watching weather conditions. There have been some thunderstorms west of us. What I'm showing you are live pictures from NASA coming out of the Falcon Heavy rocket. This is their 10th mission, and they're hopefully about to launch in less than 7 minutes here. They're sending up our brand new weather satellite. We get one of these every few years here, and this is going to be the latest of the last series of this particular model here going up into space. So hopefully we'll have a successful launch. We've had some issues with weather the last few days, particularly some thunderstorms in or around KSC. So we'll let you know that's less than 6 minutes now. 86 degrees currently, 95 is what it feels like. I know you have felt the humidity today. It has been a toasty, kind of a steamer out there. Temperatures only hit 89, but it has felt triple digits for quite some time. Although some of us did cool off with some showers and thunderstorms, and some of us will likely continue to see that for the rest of the evening. We've had some redevelopment here across the Everglades, and those thunderstorms do have the potential to push further south and east and kind of clip places like Weston, heading up towards Coral Spring, Parkland, getting in later on showers and storms. Right now, we have some moderate showers between Plantation and Oakland Park there, and some showers as well down towards Hollywood. We'll see if we get additional development along an old boundary here, but otherwise, this is how it's going to look. Watch the clock. There's still between 9 and 10 o'clock. We could have some action across Broward County, and you see that movement from west to east. Our flow, our steering currents are taking the storms that developed throughout the day, unlike the last few days, and they're pushing them towards the coast, so we get activity as late as in the evening hours here. And then for Thursday, we'll have a similar setup along with Friday. By the weekend, we're going to completely flip the flow here and get the storms pushing in the other direction here. So I think that fares well for the beaches heading into Saturday and Sunday, or for anything you're doing outdoors. But for now, still looking at those showers and storms pushing from northwest to southeast. And you see that cluster there through the evening hours for tomorrow. So we'll watch that closely for a wet evening commute likely. In the tropics, we have one area that we're still watching. National Hurricane Center has this at a 20% when it arrives over in the Gulf of Mexico. It's really battling some dry air. That is the Saharan air layer that we talk about this time of year. You can see kind of the cluster of storms falling apart a little bit. They could repulse, but still moving towards the west the next few days. The global models, like the European here, still not picking up on any discernible tight closed circulation here. Kind of a broad swath of rain coming into the Gulf. But if that changes, you'll be the first to know. Rip current flow for tomorrow looking good with those westerly winds now at 5 miles an hour. Barely a breeze out there to help us out with this heat. So despite upper 80s to around 90, it will feel like the 100s before we start storming, and we'll start doing that likely after 12 o'clock and continue into the early evening hours with temperatures in the 90s through the coming weekend.